Hi folks, this is Mike from TradeStalker.com with a video recap from a wild, crazy up day for the market, records all across the board. January 3rd, Wednesday, January 3rd. Alright, see a lot of lines on here. These are all old support areas. This was yesterday's close. This was today's gap up open. We had a gap up today. This one was not sold right away. Instead, they went right through the old all-time high without stopping. Kept on going. They went right through the resistance we had at 2702 and a half, 2704, and reached 2706. Then we had a pullback. This pullback came right back. Pullback in an uptrend, came back to new support for a good entry here. And then we had a run up to our next resistance zone. This was I think this is the last listed zone, 2707 half to 2708 half, which they came up to 2708 half, stalled immediately, backed away. When they backed away, couldn't come back down even to this zone. Even though we're hugging against the 7.5 level, we couldn't pull back. So we're in another little tiny range here, but in an uptrend and above everything that was important here, above the moving averages, etc. And then finally we had our little breakout here. The breakout was able to hold on the first dip on a 5-minute chart, but it ran right up to, I gave the last number wasn't listed. It was 11.5 to 12. It went to 12.5 and immediately turned down. After they did that, the 11.5 level turned into new resistance here. Now, we had an extended market, and it was time, where you could trade for an opportunity here. As I said, a very extended market. So we're at the last level I had listed that I could find for the market today. Was 11.5, 12. They were holding 11.5 here, sideways stall, just under the high. So your risk is just a small amount on a short here. They came right back down. They held this 8.5, 7.5. They pulled back exactly to 7.5. So 7. That's a 4-point move there. Bounced back, came back and backed away again from this 11.5 area. Still in an uptrend, however. End of the day, popped a new high here, and popped up to a new high, and we're just about to close on the day, probably near the highs. Won't be surprised. So, wow, we have quite a move here, and this should mean, well, there's some things that happened today. I'll put in tonight's update. So, hope you guys had a great trading day. Look forward to tomorrow's trading, and it should be another exciting and pretty volatile day, I believe. So, hey, have a great night and trade well tomorrow. Take care.